Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram camera effects. So if you go for here in this plus icon and go for camera, and if I just click a photo, and you can add effects from here, you can see. So if you can't use any effects from here, so all you need to do is go back and go for your Play Store first, go for your Instagram, search for Instagram. Now update your Instagram if it's not updated, or if update option is available here, you need to update your Instagram. So I have already updated it. Then go back when you're done and go for settings. Search for apps and notification like this. Okay, now search for Instagram again. Go for Instagram and go for storage and cache. You need to clear your cache from here, and after that you can just go for Snapchat and you can fix your camera filters from here. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.